Okay, give it up for team Yes We Claim.
Hi, we are Yes We Came, and we created CrowdClaim, a platform for the crowd to upload any legal issue, automatically group matching claims by AI, and finally get what matters to many people resolved. So what's the problem? Many users have recognized or undiscovered claims against the same opponent, but it's very often not very easy to consult a lawyer, so there's no access to justice. Everybody fights for himself. There's no way to actually talk to anyone. What did we do about it? We came up with CrowdClaim. It is the crowd that decides what is a relevant claim. That's different to the present situation. So the individual uploads their unmet legal issue to the platform. It's the crowd who brings up the action that's relevant for them to us. So our software claims the claims automatically by using AI, and after, for example, 100 claims similar to each other are in one bucket automatically collected, then that is the decision for us that CrowdClaim should act. So we will then enforce, in a state-of-the-art manner, legal technically, the claim and negotiate with the opponent. So we're giving the masses a voice and access to justice, what matters to you.
Okay, on to a live demo. So we built a functioning web app, and the user is welcomed with a interface. It's a free-form text box, so the user can really be creative or give as much detail as the user wants. We have an example use case where the user is talking about a broken car window. In this case, it happens to be a certain car company. And when we press the next button, our AI, which we actually implemented, and does the processing, sort of matches the current claims, the categories of the claims with the user input, and automatically ranks the claims to match what the user might find most relevant. So right now we're processing, and we can see Gewährleistung Autofenster, so something about the cars, the car window. We can also see that our AI, which is another feature that we added, automatically extracts named entities, so we can see in the bold phase that the AI can highlight some certain important names and references, some contextual information. So the user then also can tell on the right-hand side the number of other users on the community, and can get empowered by them and see that if there's a certain threshold reached by one of these categories, that this claim will then get passed on into the later steps of our pipeline. So the user then clicks on this, goes down to select. Now the user can review the process, so we could do the step automatically, but we decided that the user has to validate that this is actually the correct category the user wants, and the user can then subscribe. We can pick a random email, and the user subscribed, and we could see that now Gewährleistung Autofenster is part of the cases that can be claimed. And Sarah will talk about, so a little bit of the tech stack. So we're kind of proud of what we built over the short period of time. We used BERT language model, which is a state-of-the-art AI model, which was recently introduced. We used Docker, we used Spacey, React, Python, and much more. And Sarah will talk to you about the timing.
Yeah, the question arises why we came up now with that, because several decisions from high courts showed us that the market is now open for such legal tech tools that enforce rights of users. And on the other hand, that there are existing platforms who do that, but they only concentrate on one specific legal issue, what we do not do. Our target market is, first of all, we address those consumers who've got legal issues, but didn't figure out how to categorize them or what legal issue that is. And we also concentrate on claims that wouldn't be profitable without the community. The community makes it a valued claim. Yeah, our advantage is, first of all, it's simple. The consumer doesn't have to categorize something. We've got the networking effect, which makes the claims valuable. And yeah, we do not only cover a certain field of law.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Okay, some real AI was built this 2 days. That's amazing.